Hi everyone, in today's video we are talking about some of the safest cars out on the road, and there's really one car company that has leapfrogged and gone ahead of all of the other car companies in the field of vehicle safety, and that car company is Tesla. Tesla's safety technologies and just the design of their vehicles are so much better than all of the older car companies like Ford, GM. Their technology when it comes to vehicle collisions and passenger occupancy safety is just light years ahead of everybody else right now, and I think they are going to continue to advance because Teslas are built as electric vehicles, so they don't have to worry about all the motor components and fuel tanks and all this stuff that gets in the way of vehicle safety. And they have been able to design their cars in a way that in crash testing there's very little crumple in them. There's very little chance of them rolling over because they've got the batteries mounted really low. So they're doing all sorts of stuff to advance vehicle safety and occupant safety. Additionally, Teslas come standard with anti-braking and lane detection and all sorts of computer aids to help the driver have awareness of the roadway around them. So that's contributed a lot to their safety, and it's something that vehicle safety, it's something that's on my mind all the time. When I get a new client, we represent injured people out here in Los Angeles, and anytime we sign up a new client, the first thing I do is I look at the types of vehicles that were involved in the accident. And one thing I always tell myself is, hey, we have like such advanced technology available to us now. Why are people still getting injured in auto accidents, right? Like the car companies really need to do a better job of focusing on safety. They don't need to worry about performance numbers or stuff that is irrelevant, like fake air ducts and stuff like that legacy auto companies have focused on. And it's like they've lost track that, hey, wait a minute, the most important thing is actually occupant safety in a vehicle and trying to avoid auto accidents. And so I really wanted to make this video because in an ideal world, we wouldn't have any auto accidents, and I'm hoping that we would get to that position sooner rather than later. The last thing that we need is people getting needlessly injured and killed when we have the technology that could prevent these things from happening. And it's like every other auto company until Tesla showed up, every other auto company has just kind of been mailing it in when it comes to accident avoidance and occupant safety, but Tesla is really taking it to another level. If you check out their crash test ratings and some of the features that they have, it's just really remarkable, and I would say they're doing a wonderful job, and hopefully their technologies will continue to advance, and we'll have accidents being avoided instead of them happening. Tesla will hopefully come out with technologies where they can avoid accidents from happening altogether. And if an accident does happen, they'll come out with additional technologies to make sure that people don't get severely injured in them or die. This is a topic that's really near and dear to my heart. I'm hoping that one day soon we'll get to a world where you won't need attorneys like me to represent injured people, because auto accidents, they can be avoided. There's a lot of things that people can do. And living in LA and having represented hundreds of clients, I can tell you now that auto accidents are just a terrible thing. If you look at the statistics on how many people get injured or die following an auto accident needlessly, it's just really sad. So kudos to Tesla, and hopefully they'll continue to advance. If you're watching this and you're a driver or a passenger out here in LA and you're looking to buy a new car, I would say definitely make the vehicle's safety your #1 priority. Right now we're going through COVID, and the roads are a little bit weird because we don't have that much traffic anymore. I don't know if we have any traffic actually out there right now during the lockdown. So drivers are driving faster than ever. Some people may be driving recklessly or they're distracted. So I think focusing on your next vehicle being the safest vehicle possible for you and your loved ones is really the most important thing. Hopefully you found this video helpful. I will have additional content in the future regarding Tesla and some of the advancements that they've made, and I'm really hoping that they'll continue to make those advancements for everyone, so we could have a better world. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay safe out on the roads.